So what's up, everybody? I just got here, got my Deka fit, and I got all logged in. Super excited. My teammate's about to get here and we're gonna rock it. Woo! So I came in, found my buddy Zach, just hanging out over here on the wall, and then he was teaming up with Katie. Now Katie's from Holy Fitness, good friend, and this is Katie's husband, Skylar, and Skylar is actually my teammate of the day. So we started out by just kind of going over the obstacles, trying to figure out how we were going to go about accomplishing them. So you can run this individually, or you can run this as a team. You can run this as co-ed, or you can run this as one gender. We got these two guys taking off right here. So the first thing you do is you do a run. It's a 500-meter run, and then you get to your first obstacle. Your first obstacle is an alternating lunge. Now, like I mentioned, each one of these events is going to have two different categories. For the male, it's 55 pounds, and for the female, it's 33 pounds. After that, we've reached the rower. Now the rower, you have to reach 500 meters, which is actually a lot. Then you tag your partner and you do another 500-meter run. After that, you get to the box jumps, and you have to step over and touch every time, 20 reps, which I started to feel it after this one. My heart was definitely starting to get a little bit more tired. After that, you got to take off and you have another 500-meter run. Now you decide which partner is the one that actually goes and does this 500-meter run. I started to realize towards the end of this that I was the runner. But also, this medicine ball workout with the sit-ups, right? That's the one that I just didn't want to do because of my shoulder. It's 20 pounds at 25 reps, and it leaves you really vulnerable. But right there after that, you hop in the skis. And man, I haven't done one of these before, and it gassed me, right? 500 meters on the skis, and then take off for another 500-meter run. After you get back from the skis, either you or your partner goes ahead and moves forward with a fireman's carry. 60 pounds for the male, 40 pounds for the women. After that, another big run, and then you're onto the air bike, which, as I was the cardio guy in my team, I should have taken over on the air bike because I'm great on the bike, but instead I went for the run. So another 500 run, and when we get back, you got the medicine ball over the shoulder. Now my partner, Skylar, and he never gave up, and we finally got to this moment where I think I saw maybe he might have been tired. I tagged that guy in, he let me get 3 reps there, and then he went for the run, and then on his way back, I was completely gassed, and he could see it. He knew that I was dead, and he knew that he had to hop in and help me a couple times. So then we're on to the sled, and the sled is a push-pull sled. You got to push it all the way down and pull it all the way back 5 times at 50 meters, and of course they're set up for different resistances for different people. Then after you get done doing your sleds back and forth, yet another run all the way down 500 meters, and then you come all the way back. And then we've got the weighted burpee. And at this point, both me and my partner were so out of gas, we just had to trade off constantly throughout the workout just to get through, right? I tag him in, I see him knocking out a couple. I think to myself, all right, I might as well be ready. I know we got to do this together. I set up this the other 44 right next to him, and I got myself ready to tag him in, all right? These are the last couple reps, and I knew that I had the last bit of energy to finish up for us, so I real quick picked it up and banged out these last couple reps, and then had myself a real Warriors screaming. Yes, sir, thank you very much. But you know me, just like Mama taught me, whenever you're totally gassed, you still go for that victory lap. So I went ahead and did myself one more, and when I got back, got myself my medal, got myself my t-shirt. Big shout out to San Diego Premier Training. Oh my goodness, I got destroyed. I had a lot of fun. Shout out to Skylar, best partner I could have ever asked for. We kept each other working hard. So thank you to San Diego Premier Fitness for hosting, and humongous thank you to Country Strong. Thank you to the VA and Janine, all the veterans. You guys are outstanding, and thank you for the opportunity. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. See you later. Bye-bye.